Nexo Exchange Honest Review, User Experience and Features Uncovered. Crypto trading platforms can be overwhelming, but Nexo Exchange promises simplicity with advanced features. I tested it, and here's my honest experience. The platform supports multiple cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum and stablecoins. I found the interface clean, with an easy-to-use dashboard that displays balances, open orders and market trends at a glance. Even newcomers can navigate the platform without feeling lost. One highlight is the instant trading feature. You can convert one crypto to another within seconds at competitive rates. Nexo also offers staking options, letting users earn interest on holdings, which is a smart way to grow passive income. Security is strong. Two-factor authentication, cold storage for assets and insurance coverage provide peace of mind. I tested withdrawals and deposits, and transactions were fast and smooth without delays. The platform includes advanced tools for experienced traders, such as limit and stop orders, market charts, and portfolio tracking. At the same time, beginners can benefit from simplified options and clear tutorials. Customer support is responsive, with live chat and email assistance for any issues. Fees are transparent, though trading fees may vary depending on volume and membership tier. Premium Nexo members get lower fees and higher interest rates for staking, which makes sense for frequent traders. Overall, Nexo Exchange balances ease of use with robust features for both beginners and experienced crypto traders. If you're looking for a secure and versatile platform to trade, earn, and manage digital assets, Nexo is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe. I'll keep sharing honest crypto platform reviews to help you make informed decisions in the digital finance space.